Welcome back to our YouTube channel CADCAMSTER. Today we will design the simple part in Autodesk Inventor 2020, and we will be using this drawing to create this part. And if you need this 2D drawing, you can download it from the description link, and I'm using this drawing. And in case you need more drawings like this to practice on your own, you can visit our website. Here the name is mentioned, www.cadcamster.com, and let's see how we are going to approach this part. First I will create this profile here from the front view. Then I will extrude this profile up to 75, which is actually the dia of this circle or cylinder. Then I will extrude cut here to make this portion. Then I will make these cuts. Then at last I will create here fillet of radius 10 mm. So before getting started, if you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel, subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any future videos from our channel. Now let's get started. First let me delete this. Now click here new, select here standard part and create. Now select here start sketch. Select this XY plane and again expand this, select here XY plane and look at all these dimensions which you can see in this drawing are in millimeters. So I am using millimeters system. So let's select a line command. First I will create this line and these profile. Select this point, create a horizontal line, then create a vertical line like this, then create a horizontal line, again a vertical downward direction, horizontal line to left, again vertical line, then close this profile. Now I am going to dimension these lines. For that, select here dimensions, select this line. This is 75 mm, enter the value of 75 mm. This is also 75. Now this whole distance from mid it is 113, so whole distance will be 113 plus radius, means half of 75. You can simply select this line and this line. This distance will be 75 divided by 2, which means 75 divided by 2, which means 37.5, and 113 mm. This will be 37.5 plus 113 mm. Click here. OK. From here to here it is 37.5, which is radius of this cylinder, outer cylinder. So this whole distance will be 150.5. Now this distance is 75 mm. This is actually the dia of the cylinder of dia 75 mm, so this will be 75. Now you can dimension this. This is 28. Select your dimension, select this line and this. This is actually 28 mm. Now what will be the height of this cut? For that, you can see here this cut height will be 75 whole minus 28. So select this and this. Sorry, it is automatically defined. Let me now this distance here is 28. Select this line, select dimension, select this line. This is 28 mm. Now you can see that we have created the desired profile. Now I will extrude it up to a distance of 75 mm from midplane, or you can say symmetry. Select your 3D model, select your extrude. I will tilt it so that you can easily view. Now enter the here values of 75 mm. Select here symmetric. Click OK. Now I will create this cut on the back face. For that I will select this face, normal to, or look at, select and sketch. Now I will select here circle, snap this midpoint of the side and go to top, near the top, create a circle. Select a line command, create two lines, again select line command. Now close this sketch. Go to trim entities, trim command, trim this portion. Now go to dimension, select this line and this line. This is 19 mm. Now from center I will add one constraint. Select this and make tangent. Again select this line, control select this arc. Now select this point and this point and this point. Make all three horizontal. Now select dimension, select the center, select this side. This will be 37.5, or you can say half of 75 the extrude distance. Now select this line, select the center, select this line. This will be 25. Enter. Now go to extrude, select here cut, here cut, and enter the value of 28 mm. Okay. Now I will create these top cutouts on the cylinder. For that I will create two circles of dia 56 and 38. First I will create a circle of 75 mm dia so that we can get a cylindrical face. Select line command, create a diagonal line. Now select circle command, snap the midpoint and create a circle of dia 75. Now select this circle. Let me undo it. I will select here, finish this sketch, select here fillet. I will select here full round fillet. Let me choose full round fillet. select this face, select this center face. Now select this face. You can see the preview. It has automatically made these faces. Now let me try one other thing. I will again select here fold down fillet. This time I will try to select this face, and this face. Sorry, it will not work. Control Z. Let me select this face, look at, sketch on this face. Now select, snap the center and create a circle of 75 mm diameter. Now project geometry, select this face. Now press escape key. Now go to 3D model, extrude, select here cut, select this and this. Select here, select here 2 and select this face. Okay. You can see that we have created the cylinder. I will create sketch on these face. 56 and 38 mm circle. Select this face, look at, again select this face, select here sketch. Now go to circle, create 2 circles of diameter 56 and 38 mm. First 56, then select this and 38. Let me add some constraints. I will select this point and this point. Make them horizontal. It is moving in this direction. So I will dimension. So let me choose this point and select this dimension and select this point, and this will be 113. Sorry, 113, like this. Now go to your 3D model, select here extrude, select here cut. I will select this time only this profile, this outer circle, sketch, and the cut will be 10 mm. Press here OK. Now expand this, select this sketch and make visible. Now again select this extrude. Now this time select this sketch, select here cut, select here through wall. OK. Now I will use this sketch to create this 10 mm cut from this bottom face to up direction. For that, select here extrude, select this sketch, outer sketch, and in this section from, click here and select this face. Now you can see that, select here cut and direction up direction. You can see that it is showing the preview. Direct distance will be 10 mm. Okay. Let me hide this. You can see that we have successfully created this from bottom side also. Now I will create these fillets of 10 mm. For that, select here fillets, enter the value 10 mm, select this and this edge. Okay. Now I will add some appearance. Select here light red. Okay. You can see that in this way we can create this simple part in Autodesk Inventor. If you like this video, please share it. Subscribe our YouTube channel and share this video to your friends. Thank you.